There are over 100 different Fiverr gigs you can do for extra cash. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant, social media manager, web developer, graphic designer, and more. You can also offer your services as an SEO expert, video editor, and content writer. If you have a special skill or talent, you can offer your services as a tutor or coach. There are also many other gigs you can do on Fiverr, such as creating logos, designing websites, and providing customer service. Whatever your skills and talents are, you can likely find a gig on Fiverr that will allow you to make some extra cash. Selling on Fiverr can be a great way to earn some extra cash, or even start a new business. Just be sure to set up your gig clearly, promote it effectively, and deliver quality work. There are many types of gigs that can be sold on Fiverr, but some are more popular than others. Below are 3 of the best gigs to sell on Fiverr, based on my research. 1. Social media marketing. If you're good at promoting products or services on social media, then you can offer your services on Fiverr. There are many businesses that are looking for help with their social media marketing, so this is a great gig to sell. 2. SEO services. If you know how to improve a website's search engine rankings, then you can offer your services on Fiverr.